Today we're going to be opening up the Spiritual Guru box. Spiritual Guru box, I think .com, yes, sent me this box to review for you. Oh! They also gave me a coupon code, Darienne18, so you guys could get 25% off. Now, before they reached out to me, I'd never heard of this box. So I want to say it's $49.95. Okay, I will. But I could be wrong about that, and if I am, I'll put it down in the description. So the first bit of my review would definitely be peekaboo, that I do really like their branding and all of this, the graphics. I say definitely kudos on the branding, because I don't know, I just like it. It's vibrant and it's fun and it's awesome. So you open the box. I again had already opened it, so it's kind of, you know, but it was all nice and pretty and put in here. Look how pretty. So when we first opened this box, it stinks really strong, we'll say that. And it's I was like, there's got to be incense in here because it is strong. And I was just like, oh my god, what is that? And I am I have a very sensitive nose, so it was very strong. Okay, hold on. So when we first get it, there's all these cards in here, right? Before I even get into the box, this says Spiritual Guru candles. So there is a candle in here, and it gives us the story behind the candles. They actually intuitively choose a stone, a healing stone, to be in, or a crystal. And then they have all of the, you know, what each of the crystals benefits are, which I think that was pretty cool. I think I got pyrite in mine. And mine was just like sprinkled with pyrite, or the pyrite broke in it. I'm not quite sure. So that was cool. Then they've got the card that tells you how much everything is. It gives you the total value, which is cool. Total value is $160. And it looks like they produce a lot of their own products. Careful. So, I mean, that's cool. That's cool for them, really, because it's all like their own products. Mostly, it's not all, but it looks like it's mostly their own products. Or at least it's packaged with their logo on it. Okay, so it says, let someone know how awesome they are by giving them the good vibes card. So they give you like these cute little sending good vibes. It's like a little sticker. They have another thing on here that says 25% off, but you guys can use my code for 25% off, which I don't believe I get paid for that. They didn't tell me I did. They just gave me a code. So that's not like an affiliate code, which is kind of interesting. But if it is, maybe I should ask them. Then I'll specify down below, because legally I have to tell you if I get paid for it or not, and I don't even really know. So they give you a little sticker. It's cool, cute little stuff. So the card that we got in here, that I got in here, is Aphrodite, inner goddess. Awaken the goddess within you through dance, self-care, and appreciating your divinity. That's a good card. So they're all from the Goddess Guidance Oracle card. Dorian Virtues, which she doesn't even make these cards anymore, which is kind of funny. But so that's cool. We get like a little oracle card. Now, this is, I did not know the value of this box when I started to open this, but the first thing that kind of blew me away, and then I realized this is a I think it's $49.95 is how much this box is. I was like, okay, so I would expect to get more value than like Goddess Provisions, which is what I'm also subscribed to. But we got this awesome Om box, like carved wood little box, which is so perfect to hold like, you know, your crystals or anything. I just started getting into like witchcraft and any kind of spells that you might, like anything you need for spells. I just love this. So I was like, oh my God, that's awesome that we got that. So let's read. Handmade cedar wood Om Dream Box. Our Om Dream Box is beautifully handcrafted in India. Use your dream box to help bring intention with your manifestation by placing pictures or written goals of anything you wish to manifest. Next, place the orange calcite stone in your box to help enhance your intention. I love that. That's very similar to Abe Hicks does the magical creation box. So I have like, it's much bigger than this, but I put all of my, it's kind of like a vision board, but you just put everything in the box. Anything that represents that thing that you desire. But I love that of doing like a little intention box. Such a cute idea. Dream box, so cute. Okay, next thing is this manifest. Let me see, where's my card? Oh, that box is a $20 value, by the way. Spiritual Guru Manifest Spray. Now, does this have, so manifestation, I guess, is the theme for this month, which is so awesome because you guys know, at least if you've been following me for a while, I've done a lot of dramatic things on my channel lately. But if you've been following me for a while, then you know I'm all about manifestation and teaching how to manifest and all of that. So this is manifestation spray. This is our travel-sized manifestation essential oil spray for our manifestation spray. We chose a blend of oils that are known for their manifestation properties. What we love about this spray is it's compact enough to take with you on the go. It smells amazing, $20 value. Oh, it doesn't tell you what essential oils are in it. But this one was actually like leaking when I got it. So I don't know if there's something wrong with this bottle or... Mom. Oh, it smells good. Mom. Smells like there's some frankincense in there. Mom. Something woodsy. It smells good though. I like it. Okay, so the next thing is a stone, and we got orange calcite. Is that how you say it? Orange calcite. I've never had orange calcite, and I looked at it, I was like, this looks so weird. It just looks like, I was like, is this real? Is this what it really looks like? Because it's like slimy. It looks slimy. It's like so smooth. It's weird. Like it looks like a composite. And I've never had orange calcite. So it says orange calcite is an enhancement stone. It has the ability to dissolve problems that are blocking one from reaching their true potential. By envisioning your intentions with orange calcite, you will feel true joy, which makes this a wonderful manifestation stone. $18 value. It's big, I will say that. And I like the big stones better. So the next thing is the manifestation prosperity and abundance candle. And again, it's their own candle.
I see him.
And it says,
he can't see.
Our manifestation, she's showing you the, nice. I don't want to kiss that. Don't eat it. He's so cute. Our manifestation candle was created to complement our manifestation spray. Oh, so there's probably the same oils in there. Our candles are all handcrafted.
Slimy, Mom.
Use your candle while creating an intention for your orange calcite stone, or while finding photos or creating goals to put in your dream box. Love that. But see, mine's like, I'll show it closer up, but cinnamon. There's definitely cinnamon in there. Woo! It's making Meadow sneeze. My pyrite is kind of sprinkled all up in there. I don't know if that's because the pyrite broke or if that's supposed to be that, but like just from packaging. But it kind of looks sparkly in there, so that's cool. Next thing I thought was really cool. You did do it. This is an $80 value. And look at this.
This one is so
handmade malas.
This one's so
and it's got a nice little Buddha head on there. Oh, I love this. This just reminds me of money and manifesting money. And I love it. And I've been taking this money course recently. And so I just love that. Oh my God, I love it. Okay. Handmade 108 bead malachite, is that how you say it? Necklace. Malachite, I'm hoping I'm saying that right, is a manifestation stone, but it's also one of the most important stones for protection from negative energies. It permeates the aura field with positive vibrations while strengthening the natural energetic shell. $80 value. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Slimy.
I think it's really pretty. Green isn't typically a thing, a color of mine.
Let me try mine.
Oh, you want to wear it? Okay. I love the, I don't know, I just love the green and the gold. Very Gucci, very Italian kind of a thing. Very rich Italian, gaudy. Reminds me of my grandmother. My grandmother's dining room with her big green drapes. Okay, and the last bonus that we received is this. This is the culprit of the very strong smell in this box. Satya Money Incense. We included a box of Money Incense by Satya. It's a premium quality fragrance incense with 12 sticks per box, used while meditating, visualizing, or to clear any space of unwanted energies. So what makes it money?
Go on.
Spreading fragrance humanly since 5 decades. It literally does not say at all like what is actually in this. Well, it stinks really strongly. It's not quite for me, but I'm still gonna burn it because it's money incense. Hello. All right, so that's it. That's the box. There's the box. And then Meadow's got the crystal. Yes! So, again, this is the Spiritual Guru box. Excuse me, I don't want it on my face. So I will say, when I opened this box, I was like so excited for everything that was in this box. I do love the box. I think it's great. I think the products are awesome. You definitely get more value in this box than you do in, let's say, like,
Look at this.
oh, I do. It's the same thing as this. In, let's say, like the Goddess Provisions box, but then again, this is more expensive than the Goddess Provisions box.
Hey, Mom. Hey,
It's
look.
quite a bit more expensive. And again, I'm going to check this because if this box is $49.95, the Goddess Provisions box is $33. And so that is a pretty big difference. Whoa. And considering that all of the products here are their own made products, then they're not actually paying as much money for the products. You know, so I mean, but I love the value of this. I love the, like, it feels valuable. It does feel valuable. But yeah, so I think that you're going to get a little bit of a different vibe from this box than you're going to get from like the Goddess Provisions box. I think it's definitely worth going and checking out like their past boxes and seeing if it's something that really vibes with you. There definitely is a different vibe with this box than there is on, say, the Goddess Provisions box. This, if it is $49.95, definitely is much more expensive than the Goddess Provisions box, but again, you get more value out of this box. I think the most value that the Goddess Provisions box has had is maybe like $80, which I've talked about in the past, that it's not, you're not really getting a lot more than what it's worth. But then again, this box is giving you products that they're making. There's a lot of subscription boxes that companies do of just their own products. So that's not out of, you know, the norm for people to do that. Like, I love that this box had a real focus where everything here is to do a manifestational, you know, set it like really a ritual. This is like a whole thing to do a ritual, which for somebody like me, that's important. That's something that I definitely want to do. Another box like a Goddess Provisions box or What are the other ones? Yogi Surprise. There was another box that sent me, the Buddha box. They use other people's products, so that what I like about that is gives you the ability to be introduced to other brands and other companies, which I like. But I do like this brand, and I do like the branding here. I do like the company, this particular company. So I think that it's definitely worth checking out. I love this box. I think it's a great box. It's really going to be determined by your own personal wants and desires, whether this is the box for you. But definitely go check it out. Definitely go check them out on social media and check out their past boxes. It's just Spiritual Guru Box on Instagram. So go check them out and see if it's something that really draws you. If I'm getting the price wrong, I will definitely specify in the description. So check the description below this video to see if that actually is the price. I will put all of that. I did look online. It looked like it was $49.95, but I will clarify that before I post this video. I'll put it in the description. So there you go. Just use the code Darienne18 to get 25% off, which that's actually a lot. 25% off of 50 bucks is a lot. Thank you to the Spiritual Guru Box for sending this box out so that I could review it. And if it's something that interests you, go check it out at spiritualgurubox.com. All of the information will be down in the description. All right, guys. Bye.